For Halloween this year, I decided to go with a white witch theme. I'll be sharing lots of DIYs over the next few weeks and showing you how I have styled my space with them. If you would like to follow along as I decorate, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. The first DIY I will be sharing is this crescent moon wall hanging. I crafted this piece using collected twigs and some beautiful quartz crystals. To cut the twigs, I'm using these pruning shears. I'm then cutting them between 10 and 20 centimeters each. Once I have finished cutting out all of my twigs, I'm then going to start placing them down to create the base of the crescent moon. Next, I'm lapping the twigs over one another and gluing them together. I'm then going to keep layering more twigs on until I'm happy with the thickness. I found these little quartz pieces on eBay. I'll have them linked in the description box down below. I decided to have 3 hanging from the bottom of the moon and then another 3 fanning out from the inside of the moon. To make the hanging crystals, I started by applying a small amount of glue onto the crystal. I then wrapped cotton string around the crystal several times until I was happy with the thickness. To finish, I applied a small amount of glue to secure the string in place. I then tied the string to the moon and repeated the same steps for the other 2 crystals. Lastly, I'm flipping the moon over and gluing the last 3 crystals in place. And there you have your witchy wall hanging. Moving on to hanging it up, I actually found this large stick while I was out collecting twigs and I loved how it was all twisted. I thought it would look great with the witch decor. I decided to hang it up on the wall and have a bunch of witchy things hanging down from it, which you will see in my next video. To attach it to the wall, I'll be using some jute string. First, I'm lining the stick up with my hooks and marking in where I'll need to tie the jute string. I'm then just wrapping the jute around several times and tying it into a knot.